It's the Stanley Cup playoffs. We relish every opportunity. Lafreniere, Panarin in the circle, scores! It got through Anderson! And a 2-goal lead again for the Rangers at 4-2.
Quick up from Lafreniere to Panarin. I think last year Panarin tries to pass this puck to Trocheck. He said he wanted to have more of a shooting mentality this year. This one leaks right through Freddie Anderson. This is a backbreaker. As Panarin